Hello everyone, today we're doing the cabin air filter. Let's dive right in. Not something that is thought of as often as the engine air filter is the cabin air filter, which I think is just as important as the engine air filter, especially when you turn the air conditioning or the heater on for clean air circulation in the vehicle. Oftentimes the air filter is located on the passenger side of the cabin, and in this case for this ML500 it looks like this one here, and the part number for it is, if you're getting an STP filter, it's CAF7728. Well, let's create the access for it and let's get this baby replaced. First thing we need to do is remove some screws. We'll be removing this one here, same thing right here. Now, some models there's a lever under here, but this one has a bolt, if you will. So we'll remove this bolt, these two screws right here, Phillips head, and we'll lower this bottom access panel. Okay, we lowered the access panel right here, which is going to require a little bit of vacuuming, which is why I brought the vacuum out with me. And here is the filter right here. I don't know if you can see it. You should just be able to pop this open like this. Ooh, look at this, all this. Ooh, look at that. Damn. All right. And we're just going to, there's the filter, folks. There's the filter. I'm going to change this, which is not too bad. Still, there needs to be a little bit of cleaning. All right, that's the, oh, sorry, I dropped the phone, I dropped the camera. Okay, we're gonna change the filter, do a little bit of vacuuming in this cabin, install the new filter, and reverse the order. The filter only goes in one way, and let me show you. If you look inside of the housing, I don't know if you can see it, so okay, let me put some light. You'll see that let's see if you can see it. Can you see it? There is a notch. See that notch right there? That is where this lip of the, where is it? See this lip right here of the filter? That is where that goes in. So you couldn't have fit it properly if you installed it this way, so it has to be installed this way, which makes the airflow go from driver to the passenger direction. So we slip the new filter in, and we just clip in the cover back on. Let's do it. After a little bit of vacuuming, cleaning up the area, we'll put it all back together. Don't forget to connect your electrical connector for the auxiliary power source, which is right here. Looks like an old cigar, not cigar, but cigarette lighter. And make sure you engage the vent right in here. It has to slip in like so before it goes back up. Hopefully this video, guys, was of help to you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And we will see you next time. Take care.